And that has the agenda attached. That's to Dr. Clifford.
Yeah, but we gave him a hard copy.
Right, and maybe if it's an attachment, then I just have to sign it.
But what are you saying I sent?
You sent the board.
What LaRonda is saying I modified?
Yes, you sent it.
My iPad's in the bag.
After the
Yes.
after we passed it.
What's it called? What's it called?
It's an attachment. She's saying that
It would have been on the 21st. It would have been on the 21st.
August last week. Thursday.
Okay, so you're saying that we would have had the rough draft that we would have. Which is what you just filled on the final board agenda.
Well, and I sent you the improvement plan so you would have it. But I didn't send this out, guys.
I haven't done anything like that. I got the HCRS supplemental.
No, yeah, I didn't. Search.
Why you asking on Thursday, right?
I thought today you
It's supposed to be Thursday, but she put the wrong date up there.
I could correct it.
Okay.
What is? I don't have anything on Thursday.
Right. I don't see it, but
Yeah, I don't.
For what? What is it?
it's the report that we need to approve for the monitor. But based on
When did she send it to us?
She said on Thursday, it looked like she did.
This Thursday.
I don't have anything.
Thursday just passed.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Martinez ain't gonna find it because
Right here.
for real.
It's the school first improvement plan in Word.
Okay, who to go to?
To LaRonda and I. This is it.
I just sent it to you, Miranda.
Oh, no. This is, let me see. Goals, calculation. This is just what you put. It's not the whole report. This is just what you.
Yeah, that's what she's talking about.
Yeah,
But that's LaRonda's part. That doesn't have my intro on it. But can you send that to the board members?
I'll send it to
Because
you.
all I did, you send it to me right here? Okay. We found it in Word, but without my intro. And without my conclusion. But what you sent. Because you had to send it to me in Word.
Right.
And not the PDF.
So you didn't sign. You didn't find what you did.
I did not. But he found... I don't know why we send it back to you. I think that's LaRonda sending us to us, sir.
Oh, it was LaRonda sending it to you.
Word.
It's this right here, LaRonda, right? That's school first.
Yeah, she asked me to send it to her.
Yeah, she did. So there it is right there.
And then after that, I don't even know if
I sent it to her.
well, copy.
You sent it to me.
I'm talking about what she did. What she printed out. I don't know about it.
Because we don't have the copy. We're not gonna.
I have that.
You cannot. Absolutely. We can open it because we always start the meeting. We can continue the meeting in person before we go to the
That's not good. I don't think I have what she did.
So I'm gonna send this other one too. This one has 3 pages. This one here, Ron. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna send this other one to you as well. I'm gonna start looking forward to you right now.
Okay.
No, this stuff is in Dropbox.
But mine is not.
You don't have it?
Oh, he said it was called Charter First. Let me see if I got
School
it.
first improvement plan.
School First.
Here, I just sent them to you both.
Look at it. Yes, we can do it on Thursday.
One's in a PDF file, the other one's in Word.
Okay. She agreed.
She got to present that.
You searching for that day?
And now I'm searching for school improvement.
The
School first improvement
the
plan.
name of that document was narrative.
We're gonna table to Thursday.
But I would, you know what, Louise? You know, ain't nothing coming up because I think something's,
Okay, go to, see if you received it, because I just sent it to you.
okay, I'm looking right here, sir. It may just take a minute.
A drop of rain hasn't fell out there.
All the thunder and
I'm telling
Ain't
you.
nothing out there. It's still hot
All
too.
of that. Did you see we had trees falling on cars?
I know, right? We had trees falling on cars and
I was
everything.
hollering my job until 10 o'clock last night. And life is just interesting with the rain.
I hear it gonna get hot.
I see. So,
Madam.
that's your question.
But that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
I'm on lunch.
Renelle had an ice cream cake for her birthday. I haven't had one piece of it.
So I can't pull anything out if something's going wrong. Oh, I can get your email in. But, maybe. But I mean, not for his email. I mean,
You
for
wanna
my
just
search.
Send them
Yeah, the part he just sent.
PDF?
Yeah. Well, he just sent it. The word part he just had, he sent to me.
You
And
sent
it's-
her the 3 pages?
Yeah.
I sent
So
it
the
all.
3 pages had the chart and then the narrative, which kind of
There
makes
it
the
is.
narrative make
Got it?
sense.
Yeah.
Okay, I sent two,
Why'd you send two?
but they're different. The one is the actual narrative, the other one has a three pages.
So this is the plan, Debbie. I can print this for you guys. All that's missing is the intro and the conclusion. And all I did was say, we put this plan together, and then conclusion, we're going to monitor the plan. So that's the only thing missing. So I can print this. And you guys will have it. And we can finish it right now.
The other one has a chart.
Are we ready?
They got the chart already.
Oh, they already have it? Okay.
Yeah, they went to the chart and all that in March. We could do it. I'm printing it now. So you can see the plan has the goals in it and everything. So.
You're not emailing it?
Oh yeah. I thought y'all wanted to see the hard copy.
No, because that means more weight in my luggage.
Gotcha.
I'm already a pound over.
I'm emailing it right now. The one in
Over her
Word.
luggage. She's
Don't
over
be
her
over
luggage.
it. Huh? I know, right?
I had to leave when they were down 2-1.
I just sent it. But here's the hard copy. My bad.
What's that email?
But I still have it open. And don't want a copy of it.
I want you to email it.
I did. But you can see the goals. I just print one hard copy. You can see the goal. I did email it. But Debbie, I think we can finish it because this is all I did was add an intro and a conclusion. This is the narrative goals that you guys did not see in March. Everything else you saw in March. Is that correct, Lana? Yeah, everything else you saw in March.
They saw that in March too. They just didn't see the narrative part.
Okay.
Oh well, no, you said goals, so yeah, you're right.
The goals.
I'm thinking. No, the goals were on the chart. You print out the chart.
They weren't like that. I ain't got
Right,
it.
it
I sent
wasn't,
it to you,
it
you
wasn't
got
like
it.
that.
No, that's new. Yeah, no, that's new. Let's stick with that and the goals. And all I did was add the intro.
They need.
Yeah, okay.
So that's one. Okay, so they need both of those. That's one set.
This is just one right here.
Just one set.
And I did print out the chart. You can see the chart with the goals as well. We gave the monitor, just so you know, a very nice packet of all the pieces together with a binder clip. And it was this thick. I just didn't want to print that for you guys. But, Rhonda, you have it in an email to me with each item. I think you told me it was zip, unzip, or something.
I have the zip. You want the zip file?
Which
That's
one?
the entire packet.
And when is that from? Because I saw the one you said,
Oh, that was back when you were in Vegas, like
the June one.
yeah. 'Cause that's when I sent it to Mr. Martinez to give to him the first time.
And that's the one I have. I have that.
But
I can forward that to you.
that's like everything all over again.
Huh?
Yeah.
We had a chart like this.
Yes, y'all saw that. Yes, in March.
You sent it to us as well.
Yeah, you have that one, right? You're not looking for that.
I'm not looking for that. No, I was looking for my intro.
Yeah, that's what we're missing. We're missing that piece.
I'm sure I saved it. Remember, this is what you guys saw in March.
Yes.
Okay, then we have it.
You remember that? As a part of the monitor's report, I'm also asking for approval to submit our appeal on our rating. We have our attorney. Everything's in draft form. Mr. Martinez has been working very closely on that. If he could spend a little time sharing a little bit about where we are on that in the appeal with Texas Charter and Attorney.
Okay, so our attorney, Mr. Ryan Henry, has been in contract with Lindsay Gordon, who is the attorney for the Texas Charter School Association. They have been in constant contact this last week in regards to the verbiage and how we're going to attack our appeal. There are 8 other schools who are in the same boat as we are because of the language or the non-language that's in the accountability manual. So the way it states is that I went to an accountability meeting appointing myself and Mrs. Melinda Rodriguez, and we were waiting for the indexes. They were going over each index and how it affected each school and what the state was looking, at in regards to the numbers. Our only concern was index 4, and it was last, so we waited. And so while we were waiting, I went through trying to find the accountability manual to try to find out where it states what they were telling us when we failed. How we got a rating. Well, in the process of looking at that, I found a flow chart. And this flow chart mentioned to us if you have 10 or fewer kids, and the arrow goes here, and if you're not rated in 4 components, and it has to be all 4 components in index 4, then your school drops down, and therefore you default to 13. Because if you stay with the high school numbers in your rating, you have to have 21 in index 1. Our rating in index 1 was 17. But because we didn't get rated in any of the components in index 4, we should have defaulted, according to this flow chart, to 13. And so that was the basis for our argument. And so we're a campus, a district, we should have. So I asked the Sherry Hendricks, who was the Read 20 person given the responsible for the assessments of the data for the whole region, and she says you're exactly right. She says this is what you should have been defaulted to. Let me go back and let me find out what's going on. So I shot this. I came back, gave Miss Yarbrough the information. We shot her an email. That's what she wanted me to do. She came back with the answer, which stated the 2014 Accountability Manual does not state anywhere in there that we get a rating as a district. This district and the campus have to be 1. So she's saying in the frequently asked questions, that because it pertained to other schools, that the TEA said, not in the manual, the TEA says no, you're going to fall to the campus rating and not to district rating because you only have one campus. But nowhere in the manual does it state that.
Wow.
Yeah, nowhere in the manual. And so that is the basis for our appeal. So our attorney, Ryan Henry, and the Texas Charter School Association attorney, Lindsey Gordon, so I sent that information to you. So
Okay.
they're going to plug in the school name, superintendent. We need Ms. Yargo's signature. But as soon as he's finished with his verbiage, that is our appeal. And so it looks very promising because again, it's not in the manual. So the argument is, how can you rate us on something that's not in the manual?
And it makes sense to default
Yes.
because they take away all the high school numbers and say you don't count, and then they hold you to the high school standard.
And they didn't use any of those numbers.
Doesn't make any
We call it what
sense.
they call small school analysis.
Yeah, so